to the channel. In 2025, enterprises need customer experience platforms that handle scale, data, and multiple channels. Sprinklr for CX is built exactly for that. Let's break it down. Sprinklr for CX unifies social media, messaging, support, and analytics into one enterprise-grade platform. It helps large organizations manage customer interactions, monitor sentiment, and deliver consistent experiences across dozens of channels. With AI-powered insights, automation, and advanced reporting, Sprinklr is designed for brands that need deep control and global CX visibility. Sprinklr for CX helps enterprises manage, analyze, and improve customer experience at scale. If you're an enterprise looking for a powerful CX platform in 2025, Sprinklr for CX delivers scale, insight, and control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.